Okay, this is going to be a how-to video on changing the steering column in a 95 to 2000 up S10. Now, the steering columns is different in some years, so make sure you get the right steering column. I just show you behind me here, step out of the way. There's the steering column that we are going to be installing into the low-life truck. Yep, the low. 4-link body drop S10. We're going to be installing it in today because the steering column in it got damaged. Don't know how, but it's damaged. It won't start. It's broken. It don't work. So we got to replace this. And I'm sure not only I have to replace the steering column, there are more people out there that have to replace steering columns. So enjoy the video. Take care. This is going to be the steering column we're going to be installing today. Comes complete with key switch and all. We may have to rerun the key switch to the computer, but that ain't going to be no biggie. The steering column is a little dirty, but it is a stock S10 steering column, and we will be replacing it in just a few minutes. Okay, we are inside of the low truck. Low. As you can see, the steering column is busted and seen better days. So what we first want to do to change the steering column is take off this panel. Put bolts on right here and over there and underneath. I think under here somewhere. So that's got to come off, and then we will show you what to do next. Okay, we are in the low and we went an air wide system, pressure wide, and it takes about 125 or 150 psi to pump this front end up on this S10. Now my gauge is in the bed. I'm going to have to move that up to the front of the dash because you can't see the gauge unless you're outside of the truck. But you know, the steering column broke. We're going to have to replace it, and that's what this video is for. Let's try the bags out. And up we go. We have to set the truck up because this truck is body dropped. And it is on there wide, and it was touching the ground, and the steering column was kind of straight. So we elm the truck as far up as it goes, front and back. Well, I might clamp the back, get the front up. If it tilts it at an angle, it wouldn't be much easier for us to get to. But we got to be able to get to the steering column to replace it. And the hit being body drop and on the ground, ain't gonna happen. Nope. Gotta go up in the air, and this is the best way to do it, and that's how we're gonna do it. So stay tuned because we get ready to pop the hood. Show you what shape under the hood is on this little truck. Show you the steering column the way we got it set up, and then we're going to take this stuff off underneath of it, pull the steering column out, plug new one in. Hopefully the key switch don't need programmed, but if it does, I'm going to show you how to program the key switch. And then you'll be set and should be good to go. And just stay tuned. Okay, we got the cover off now. And you will want to take this nut off here. And that nut that we just got off on this side. Then you got two more nuts. One there, and one over there on that side. And once you pull them out, you got to drop the steering column on down, and then undo the line harness to the steering column. And then it should pull right out. These little trucks are pretty simple, pretty easy to work on if you take your time. But yeah, in just a second we'll have this steel column pulled out and onto the ground. Okay, in the plug-in for the steel column, you don't want to forget is a 7mm that you will have to undo before this plug-in will come out. So don't forget to do that, or you'll be tugging on the plug-in all day. Okay, you got your two steel columns, one that you had and the other one. You want to compare that the mounts look about the same. As you can see, this has been notched. That shouldn't affect it in any way. You can check your plug-ins, make sure all your plug-ins is the same. Which these plug-ins is identical, all but one pin, and that's in down here. It's missing to this one, and I think this has been took out of the lowrider. Somebody pulled the wire out. That's how come I don't think it's in there anymore. So this steel column should be a good replacement. Should work out great. We're gonna stick it in there and try it out, and stay tuned because the next trip will show us installing it and hopefully have a truck motor. Okay, we got a bolt hose lined up, the steel console is in. This wasn't notched. It turned out the steel column we took out was missing one of these, so we just knocked the one off the other steel column. Put them both up there. Next, you want to pick the steel column up, like that, and then start your bolts on both sides. And then start your bolts that's in the back, just like so, and then snug everything up. And then you want to plug your harness in. And don't forget to tighten the 7mm bolt. Okay, the truck is going to need the security reset, so that will be in the next how-to video, because I am bone dry out of gas in this project. So I'm going to have to get a couple gallons of gas put in this project and show y'all how to reset security in the next video. But other than that, the truck does crank over. Fuel pump is priming, headlights work, everything works on it like it should. It's got a working key switch again. You can actually turn the steering wheel again and it locks. And it's just head up. Steering column installed great, didn't it? It sure did. It installed good. So hopefully this video was helpful to you, and you know, it gets you somewhere. And if you need to reset your security night before I post the video, you can go to Google and it will explain how to do that. Or if you're having trouble with your security, you can install a resistor, which I have did many of the times on these s10s, and it will bypass that, and you won't have to worry about your security again. But pretty much I can't do nothing else to this little truck till I get some more gas for it. But I hope you enjoyed the video, hope you liked it, and please subscribe to my channel because there's tons more that's going to come. Thank you.